Hey everyone, Dave Nelson here with Agent Power Up. Pretty excited about this video. This one's going to be about how to do remixes in your Instagram. Why would you use remixes? So I love repurposing other people's content, which I'm guessing they probably repurpose too. So the whole thing is, why try to reinvent the wheel when you can R&D, rip off and duplicate? I do a lot of that. And if you follow me, you probably understand why I do it, because it's pretty easy to do. And there's some really awesome content out there that can, that you want to share with your audience. So here's my phone. There it is. Um, Before I even do a remix, um, I have a folder. If I'm gonna go to my folders, under my saved, so I've got tons of things that I have actually saved over the course that, let's say I want to do a remix on. So let's do this one. Very cool. So to do a remix, you're going to go up here and click the three dots, and then it says remix. Boom, remix. Um, you can do it with original video or after. I always do it with the original video because I'm responding to the video itself. It's going to open it up. Now, where the heck am I? I'm not on the screen. So you click the camera, and there it is. But I want to change it. So I want to have it more of this layout. Or let's say it's going to be there. So I can move the little video around. I can make it bigger, make it smaller. It's a horrible picture. So I can respond to this video if I want to. Or you can change, let's do it this way. So there's a lot of ways you can put the video on how to edit. I typically do this one just because I like it. And then from that point, all you do is you hit this button here, and it starts recording. And it's not going to hear your voice because it's going to pick up the voice of the actual video. And these are just more, you're sitting there nodding your head, doing thumbs up, or like, hey, you got to pay attention to this, or, so they will not hear your voice on remixes. You're just putting out somebody else's content and maybe doing a response to that. Once this is done, and again, you can add your stickers. You can put text. A lot of times text is good to put on there. You can move it around. Filters, but usually text is good. So you want to have text like, why should they watch this? So I follow this person here. She's really good on social media. So maybe something like, hey, there's a good video to do, to watch. Hit next. I don't want my headshot up there. Well, first off, you can put your content. Oh, shoot. And then put your tags in if you want to. Again, like I said, I always put my location in because I think that's important. Now, this is the good thing. Now, if you're going to be doing rehashing somebody else's content, and this is where the magic happens with remixes, tag them or collaborate. The reason is now you're potentially getting in front of their audience. I'm going to talk to the camera here. You're getting in front of their audience, and you're just going to grow your sphere of influence. So, and if you're going to do a remix, find somebody that has a big audience. So maybe like a Grant Cardone, Elon Musk, people, Kim Kardashian, barf. But there's people, so if you do a remix of somebody else's video that has a lot of followers, you're more apt to get pretty good attention by doing so. So I'm not going to add any tags. And then once it's all said and done, you hit share. That is it. That's how to do a remix. Now, a lot of times, like how you see on my phone here, it's got a still. I'm going to hit preview. So this is what it's going to look like when it goes live. Awesome. But I don't like the still of this look. So maybe what you want to do is do a screenshot of your video and have that for your preview, because it's important to have a pretty good preview window, because when people go to your profile and they're scrolling down, they see this image of me just looking ugly and awkward. They're not going to know what this video is about. So I just like do a screenshot. You can do it in here. You can do it in Canva, whatever you want, but just put like what the topic is overlay of this. So that way when people scroll on your account, they know what to look for. And then boom, hit share, then you're done. I'm not going to hit share because this is a horrible video. So that, my friend, is how to do remixes. I also did a video on how to do green screens. So those are two main things that I do other than doing memes and using CapCut, which I'm a huge fan of CapCut. So I hope you're having a great day. And if you have any questions, let me know. But please like, subscribe, and share. Sharing is caring. And have a great day.